A young and talented artist, Srimati Jessica Gomes, is a popular name in the field of Tiatr. She started her career as a theatrist at a tender age of 16. She is the daughter of theatrist Sri Antonio Gomes and Ana Maria Elasio Gracias. Had a liking for acting right from her childhood. Her acting skill blossomed during her school days. She participated in all extracurricular activities in school. She first acted in Tiatr Kazulo by Michael Gracias, and after that she did many shows at the Kala Academy competitions and won several prizes. She joined as a professional artist in Rose Fun's dramatic troupe, and she wishes to continue to serve the stage in the future days of her life to maintain the rich culture and heritage of Goa. Srimati Jessica has performed in countries like United Kingdom, Kuwait, Bahrain, Doha, Qatar, Dubai, etc. She was the youngest to be facilitated by Kala Academy of Goa for Rupia Utsav Theatre competition. She is conferred with Father Freddie J. Da Costa Memorial Gulab Best Actress Award for the year 2013. She has also been facilitated by various other organizations. May I request Srimati Jessica to accept this prestigious award.